So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on and off the iPhone 12 Pro. But if you have a different iPhone, it pretty much is the same process. So you can give it a try. If you have any issues, just ask in the comments. So first, my phone is on right now. The way to turn it off or power it down is to press on this side button here and then press on the volume rocker right here. So the volume up rocker. So we're just going to press both of those together like so, holding them together. And when you see these options here, slide to power off, just slide it, it'll power down. It takes about 10-15 seconds to completely power down. And to power it back on is as simple as pressing and holding on that side button on the right. So we'll just press and hold, give it a few seconds. Now it'll start powering on. Depending on the device you're using, the power on process might take longer or shorter. So not long at all. We'll swipe to unlock it. And that's it. So we're back in our phone. So that's pretty much how you power on or power down the iPhone 12 Pro. But like I said, it'll work for pretty much any iPhone device. This one is running iOS 14. So if you have iOS 13, 12, 11, whatever, it should work still, and future iPhones as well, unless they change it. If you have any troubles, ask me in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys next time.